In 2009, the founder of Olansi explored, developed and established Olansi Healcare company experts and scholars. Limited in collaboration with prominent domestic and international research institutions, as well as Olansi is a high-tech new enterprise dedicated to their research. Olansi continues to adhere to its foundational principle. Supplier by numerous prominent partner organizations, and its products have received unanimous praise from diverse segments of the population. Olansi has grown to become the world's leading supplier of health appliances, a global dual clean manufacturing service provider, develops and produces air purification and water purification series, both of which are leading in the industry. The strong investment in research and development and the relentless pursuit of quality. Olansi, a close partner for many enterprises, obtained Export CEL certification and the International CD certification, has a number of patent certificates, 10 invention patents, 36 utility model patents, and 61 design patent. Won the high-tech enterprise certificate, established group standards, and received honorary titles like leading unit. Continuous innovation in technology relies on a strong R&D team. In May 2020, Olansi Health Industry Park, located in Nansha, Guangzhou, has commenced full operations. The park covers a land area of more than 20 and a building area exceeding 60,000. The park covers 4 modern, intelligent, and technologically advanced factories and office buildings, 5 independent production lines for filter manufacturing, 3 production lines dedicated to the manufacturing of water machines can achieve monthly production capacity of 100,000 water machines. Olansi offers customers OEM and ODM private label processing, providing comprehensive customized wholesale services, and is strict with quality control management. Its product testing capabilities meet the standards set by testing institutions, ensuring product quality and performance. Its core value is rooted in product technology, consistently delivering customers high-quality, health-oriented home appliances. OEM and ODM value-added services and value creation make Olansi a brand supply platform in the healthy home appliance industry.